Okay, welcome to ATech Media. If you can hear me, you can wave, you can say hi. We noticed today is HAFCON and we may just make today's lecture brief and we are still going to reschedule. Today's live tutorial is based on After Effects. We created a step-by-step, a well-detailed tutorial for you guys, and I don't know, it seems some people are still having some minor issue when it comes to the tutorial. Some have not even installed the software. Whatever issue you're having with your software, please kindly let us know. And some are also still having issues with let me say opening it. Some have not even been able to create any graphics. Today is a live tutorial whereby whatever question issues you are having, you call in and we help you out. You will share your system and so many thoughts. So whatever issue you're having, start dropping it on the comment section. You can start throwing out your question right now. But first, I would like to take you through the things we are going to be doing today. We are going to create a video session on the WhatsApp channel. Your instructor will come in, EKD will come in, whereby you will actually share whatever issues you're having. And for those that have issues with their system, that will be the last thing we will do for today. Please note this. Many of you don't know the kind of system to purchase and how to check your graphics card details or troubleshoot how to work better with your system. We are treating this, like I said, for the last session for today. Now, I will introduce you to your instructor, EKD, that will be coming up now. And after introducing you to your instructor, please note, kindly be polite. You get it? It's going to create a demo for you guys. We just create a minor demo, and after creating the demo, you guys, each and everyone, we have opportunity to call on video for every 10 minutes. Please make sure your question is brief and we're going to answer at least as much as we can. Don't forget, we need to be fast because many of us wanted to go and watch the final match for today. And like I said, we are still going to reschedule this lecture. We need to be fast. So now, whatever we are going to do in this lecture is also stated on the description below, on our live description, in case if you don't get it yet. So whatever issues you have, whatever tutorial we're going to put you through in this live, for which one that you are not okay with, note you may have to book for another live session in case if you are not okay with the minimum of the things we are going to do today. EKD, are you ready? So in case you can actually call us for the basic or for the advanced level to learn, and stay tuned for more tutorial that is yet to come. Many tutorials are yet to come, don't forget. And EKD is going to be taking over now. After EKD takes over, it will do a basic this thing that a screen is going to be shared to you. You're going to see what he's doing live as well. Not only that, and after like 10 minutes, maybe he did a demonstration opening After Effects, and it will create a minor thing. After creating it, then after that it will now be question and answer. You will throw in your question, you will call in on video, share your system screen. Note this will also be rescheduled. I think we'll be hosting another one soon in case if this is not okay by you, because this is going to be fast as possible. So AKD, please come and take over. Put it on sting. Is the sting on air now? Okay, AKD, on your mic. I'll take this.
Okay, guys, you are welcome. If you can hear me, just say something on the comment section. If you can hear me, then say something on the comment section. If you can hear me, say something on the comment section. We're going to try to be as brief as possible. I hope you can hear me, guys. I hope you can hear me. Just say something in the comment section. So today I want to just show you a few things. I want to show you a few things that would help you. I believe a lot of us are following this course quite well. I think I saw some posts on the group, and I really want to say I am very, very impressed with what I am seeing. Okay, Valentine. Wow, your name is Valentine. Valentine is coming soon. Valentine, Ansin, okay. Best action, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. So I want to just do something. After now, we're going to have the question and answer session. Okay, but I want to just do some things. I guess a lot of people are following the course. A lot of persons are following the course. So let me just do something. Let me do something. But if you are done with the entire course, just say something in the comment section. Let me know. Let me give you an award. If you are done with the entire course, just say something. Okay. Is my screen displaying?
Duplicate it.
Duplicate. Okay. Okay. So I want to just show you something. Let me just show you something. In case you've not started this course, then you have to go start it. Okay, you have to go start it. Or in case you are in the middle of it and you don't want to finish it, then go finish it. Okay, go finish it. So you'll be able to do these amazing things. Okay, let's just do something. So like I shared in the course, there's a way to get amazing, the best place to get resources, okay, resources, especially free resources. I won't say it's the best place though, but one of the open places to get resources is on YouTube. I said it on the course, but most people don't know. Most people don't know about that. But I said it on the course. If you've gotten to that video, you should know. Okay? So you should know. So we're going to do something very simple. I think somebody was posting something on the group and asking if it can be achieved. Yes, it can be achieved. Some things that you see that are very complex, they are very simple to do. Very simple. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do something very complex in a very, very simple way and a very quick way to do something that looks very complex. Okay? So I'll just go to new project. So I want to be getting your comments. I want to be getting your comments. So I know you guys are following. I want to be getting your comments. Okay? Be getting your comments. Okay, go to new project. Okay, it's already a new project. So let's just create a new composition. Let's call it text. Let's call it golden text. Golden text. Okay. XT. Okay. So everything remains the same frame size and everything. Okay. So it's going to be something very. It looks complex, but I'm going to show you a very easy way to get it done. Okay. So most times when you see some things, you don't get scared and just maybe be discouraged. The After Effects is very, very complex and you can't get to do some amazing things because you don't have resources. Okay, so let's get into it. And another thing I want to tell you is that you should have amazing fonts. Okay, amazing fonts on your system. Try and do that. Have amazing fonts. Try getting new fonts, not just new ones. Fonts that are aesthetically pleasing, that would serve you. Okay, that would serve you. And it's not only decorated fonts we're talking about. Some fonts might be as straight as this. They might be as straight as this, but Okay. So I hope you can see what we are doing here. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what we are doing here. How the people are following. Can you read the latest comment for me, please? How people are following what we are doing. I hope you guys are following what we are doing. I hope you guys are following what we're doing. Okay, so we have premium. So I'm going to quickly just, let me just quickly do something. Okay, going to youtube.com. What's the recent comment? Can you read it for me, please? Huh? Okay, somebody says it's done with the course. Okay. Okay, congratulations to that person that says it's done with the course. Congratulations to you. It's only one person we have that is done with the course. Okay, is there any other person? Any other comments that has to do with what we're saying? So, if you have your system right there, you can just follow what we are doing. So I'm just going to search for a golden background. Golden background or gold background, anyone. If you have your system there, you can just be following through what we are doing. Okay, just follow through what we are doing. It can be a gold background. So I'm going to take this. Make sure it's not too complex. You can take something different, but make sure it's not too complex. Okay, make sure it's not too complex. Just something as simple as this, and make sure it's HD. Okay, so I'm just checking if it's HD. I think it's a bit close to HD, but just ensure. I think this is not bad, but I don't want the one. So I don't want something that is too. Okay. This is not bad still, but let me work with this. Let's work with this for a while. So I'll just go straight. So there are different ways. So far you get the video on your PC. There are different ways of getting videos from YouTube. So different ways. But use any way you know how to use. But providing you have the video. Providing you have your video. So I already have mine. So I'm going to take it to After Effects. Taking it to After Effects. So I have my video here. So the next thing I want to do is to mat. Okay, I want to mat. Sorry. Track mat. So I have it here. Let me just redo this so that you see it again. Okay, so make sure your video is on top of your text. Okay, make sure your video is on top of your text. I guess you guys have seen this effect on the course, but I want to take it further. Okay, so make sure that your video is on top of the text. Then click on it. Then you have to set the mat. Okay, so click on your text. I hope you guys get that. So even right now it's looking kind of cool, but you can make it cooler. Okay, it's looking kind of cool now, but there's something we can do to it, and especially if you are using 2024. If you are using any CC version, in fact, if you are using any CC version, it's going to work. It is going to work. So let's just try it. So you go to your effects panel. Like I said in the course, you can't treat all your effects at once. We could not treat all our effects. Okay, sometimes you have to play with some effect to know what they are really for. Do you get? So 10 minutes more. Okay, so we have just 10 minutes more. So I just changed the workspace so that I can see my effects. Okay, I think I've taught you guys that. So for those persons that want to, we cannot do everything online. You get? We can't do everything online. And even if we want to, it will be very difficult to cover everything online, even in that course. So for those persons that are interested to further, to get further knowledge on After Effects, okay, So we are doing some. I think a lot of persons have requested for personal training. So we've done something about that. We've done something about it, and I'm just going to read it out to you while we are working on this. Okay. So we have a basic. We have like 3 packages. We have 3 packages. We have a basic package. I hope you guys are hearing me. If you are hearing me, just say something. Hmm? Okay. So we have a basic package, which is, let me just say it before I go into what I'm doing. Okay, we have a basic package that covers installation, helping you understand how to install this thing very well, so you don't have any glitch or hindrance. Okay, we're going to take some questions and some answers in this basic package, and the 2 hours class. Okay, and we have to split it to 30 minutes per session. Okay, so you just weigh that, and it's going to cost $20. So if you're in Nigeria, 25,000 naira. So I believe that is very, very, very cheap compared to the knowledge you are going to get. Okay, all the details of the course. Okay, all the details is there on the bio. Okay, just read the description, right? You'll see all the details of what I'm saying, but they are the basic. There are 3 packages we have there. There's a package that will get to teach you keyframe, animation, and everything deep down. We get to dive deep down, deeper than what you have in the course. Then we have the last one. We get to create a standard animation from start to finish. When I mean standard animation, like something someone posted on the group, you get, there was one complex animation. I won't teach you all that. So just read the description. You find the prices for those and the things we are going to be offering. Okay, so are we good? So I'm going to pick Boblizer, right? Blobilize, right? Rather, Blobilize. Okay, so we're going to pick it and put it on your video. Okay, so I've just put it on my video. So just pick it and drop it on your video. You should already know that if you've been following the course. So let me just do it again. I picked it and dropped it on my video. Okay, dropped it there. So this setting here will come up. So you can use this to set it. Okay, you can use this to set it to what you want. So what is this just going to do? Is just going to tweak the text. Okay, tweak the text to look a bit 3D-ish. Okay, to look a bit 3D-ish. Okay. So it's just going to look a bit 3D-ish. I think I'm looking for a particular effect. Just a minute. Okay, come in. I think. Well, basically, you have to try your effects. Okay, you have to try. So sorry, it was supposed to be on the text itself, not the video. So just take it back to the way it was. So this is it. I'm going to put it on my text. Okay, so it's on my text. So you can see the effect it created. This is like a premium. It's having a premium look, right? A premium look. And how did we do it? Just in few clicks. Okay, so you can toggle this part to make it more softer. There are other options you have here. You can try to decrease the light, intensity of the light. You can increase it. Depends on what look you want. Okay, depends on the look you want. So let me just reduce this size. I want the light to pass through this stuff. I want the lights to pass through, really, to really pass through. So I'm just reducing it. That's what I'm just doing. I'm just reducing it. So right. So if you find a background that is goldish, I hope you can see the effect that it's creating. So that's like a very, very, very complex effect. A very complex look rather, just with few clicks. Okay, just with few clicks. You can try out the amazing backgrounds with it. Maybe backgrounds that look liquid-like. You can use them to just create this effect. Okay. So if I want to make it, let me just do this before I go. If I want to make it, I'll just try to increase the speed, okay, so that the lights will pass faster. Okay. Just do that again. I guess you already know time stretch. Time stretch is to reduce or increase the duration of a particular clip. Okay. Right. So if I have this, hope you see the effect. So there are other amazing things you can do with this. Imagine you adding a background, a very dark background like that. So that's just it. Do you have any time left?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay, I have 3 minutes. Okay, let me use that 3 minutes to just tweak this thing. So you can keep tweaking. You can keep tweaking. Keep tweaking. Like I said, if you have an amazing font, you can do something better. Okay, if you have an amazing font, so we can just go to. Okay, let me see. What are they saying in the comment section? I hope they are following. I hope you guys are following. Right? I hope you guys are following. So this is a very, very, it's having a very premium look. So I can choose to, you can choose to add another text. You can choose to add another text, for instance. Right? You can choose to have another text. I can copy these both of them, copy it. I can choose to pre-compose. Oh, I didn't name this. Let me name this text one. Right? So I can pre-compose this, and I could have another. So I'm copying these two inside. I'm just copying it. I'm copying it, then I'm pasting it here. And I can pre-compose to say text 2. Text 2. Okay? So we could have it here. So what I want to do is change the position. I can say, so text 2, I can change the text. All right? Okay? Just some things you can play with. Some things you can play with. Okay? Okay, right? So I can make it faster for you. Premium, ready. I hope you can see. So this is a very it's a very simple effect, but it's having a very complex look. So that's just it basically. That's it basically. So we can add our basic. If you follow through, we could have our basic animations done. Could have our basic animation done. If you don't know all this, just go and watch the course. But I'm trying to edit the speed graph. Okay, I taught all this on the course. So if you don't know it, you have to go and check for it again. Okay, you have to go and check for it. So you have to go and check for it because I've taught all this in the course. So is anybody following? Is anybody following? Is anybody following? So we have this here, right? So we could get this to start a bit late. Okay, so rounding up. Hope you can see what we made in just a short time. So that's just it. That's just it. You can do more. 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 Okay? So I want to see you guys maybe some other time, but do grab this opportunity. Check on the description. You see all the packages we have and how you can follow through. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye for now.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Hello, I believe you guys can hear me. I think the live session has not yet ended actually. If you are there, you can just wave at me. Let me hear you. Okay, that's not all. The issue here is that many of you are still yet to install After Effects. If you are yet to install After Effects, please kindly let us know. Have you been able to install After Effects? Please let us know. Are you having any issue installing After Effects? Can you let us know? So that we can treat it once and for all. And we are not going to be doing so many things today. According to the lecture, according to what is written here, the things you are supposed to be doing is installation for those who are having, but it seems nobody is commenting that they have issues with installation. I believe you all have the software to install it. So in case if you don't, if you are yet to install it, if you are having any issue, just comment below. That's the first thing first. We are rushing this because of those people that are going for March and so on. So EKD has taken you guys on a mini course. If you are there, let me know. EKD has taken you guys on a mini tutorial on how to create a test. If you are still having any issues with that, also let us know. We are supposed to run a live tutorial, interactive tutorial today, but due to the match that is going to be taking place today in Ivory Coast, I think that's Cote d'Ivoire, we will not be able to take that, so we have to reschedule that for another time. But whatever question you have now, let's see if we can treat your question. And second question I would like to answer, many of you guys are complaining about system spec. What's your system spec? Okay, to me, no matter the system you're using, so far you have up to Core i5. You can start from somewhere. I see many people just look for SQs, just how my system is hanging and so on like that. Most of us started with a hanging, like extremely hanging system, and you are complaining, gosh. So just try and start from what you have. Then as time goes on, when you see you are doing better, you can upgrade your system. But normally, if you are going to buy a system, make sure you buy any system that has a dedicated graphics card. Many of you are asking a question like, can I upgrade my system graphics card? Please don't do that because it might crash your board, please. So make sure you get a system that have a high-end graphics card, minimum of, let me say, 4 gig dedicated graphics card, mind you. So with that, you can manage on how to use your system. And also, many of you install different apps on your system, which is not important. I don't know if you take a look. Please switch to MultiView again. If you take a look at my laptop here, I don't install any apps on my laptop. You can see only important one, and you won't see my desktop being busy. I believe many of you guys have been having issues with your desktop, seeing many, maybe sometimes when you boot your system, this my system now, if I should restart it, you will not see it. It will not take time. Just within few seconds it has just start up. But many of you pack a lot of icons, install all kind of apps. Like, what are you using that for? Mind you, those things crash your system easily. And for those of you using some kind of antivirus, take a look at the antivirus I'm using. Antivirus have shown me pepper, in case you don't know. I've seen a lot of error from antivirus, and I've been able to defeat antivirus for, like, I think that was since 2012. That was during the time I was presenting a project in my school. So antivirus, don't go and be using some useless avas, all those kind of. I'm not, no, sorry, I'm not actually, let's just take that down. I'm not actually saying avas is not good. I'm not insulting the company, no, but I'm just saying that don't install any extra antivirus on your system. If you need antivirus, go ahead with this Windows antivirus that comes with your system, so that you will enjoy your system. Seriously, just make sure it's always updated, make sure you're always scanning, and so on. And if you have issues with putting an external flash and you need to see the files on it, you can reach out to me as well. So that is for that. That is for. And then something else I also like to call. Okay, I was still talking about the spec. Just make sure you have minimum of 4 gig dedicated graphics card. And many of you does not know how to check your that graphics card. Okay, let me put you through. You go to your Windows, you press your Windows button, you get it? Then you can just, I don't know if this is the kind of system you use. You can just type run to search for run. There's a shortcut for this, Windows plus R. It will bring it out. Let me press Windows plus R. Yeah, it will bring out your run. You can see it. So, but let me do it manually for those that are here to see it. If you don't get it, please repeat the video or just backward it. Run under this run, then when you click it, come here. I already typed this here. Then you type the hex, the hag, the hex, the hag. With this, some of you, I think we need to put up a tutorial on some command prompts, because there's a church I went to, and I don't want to mention the name of the church. I was just like, okay, let me check your system spec. As I run DHDR, you were like, hey, you want to hack our system? Or he has killed us. So in mind, you need to get familiar with this. Somebody cannot be running just a simple code. That means you are not capable. We are still going to do a lot of basic desktop publishing tutorial on how to manage your system properly. So we are talking about how to check your system spec. Click OK. I don't have much time. Click OK. Then under the system, you can see more details about your processor, the speed of your processor, 2.6 gigahertz, and so on. You get it. You can see your display one, where you have your Intel. This is your system graphics card. So you can see this is an Intel UHD. UHD has to do it 4K. Whenever you're in UHD, that means it's above regular HD. And you can see my system memory. This is my system graphics card actually. I'm currently having display memory of 128, shared of 16 gig. But that's not what I need now. What I need is my display 2, which is the Nvidia graphics card. What's the details? You can see it here. My graphics card is out here, 3060. That's for this particular system. And what else again do I need to show you? Yeah, dedicated graphics card. That is, I said minimum of 4 gig dedicated graphics card. Why this is 6 gigs? You can see it. This is 6 gig. There's another way to check this as well. Let me exit this. You can just right click and you will see your Nvidia properties here under Nvidia control panel. From there you click on system information, which is this system information here. When you click on system information, you can see all the details of your graphics card pop up here. You can scroll down, you will see the name of my graphics card, you will see the DirectX is using. Then you can be able to see the complete details here. Dedicated memory of 6 gig, while total available is 24, but dedicated is what matters. So mind you, you need to have minimum of 4 gig. And some of you are asking me about AMD. Please don't go there, not at all. Once you see AMD system, run away from it. Like, run, because the best AMD system you can see so far currently, are not in Nigeria. Those are the best you can see. So if you want a very good AMD system, they are not in Nigeria. So I need to run this up. What else do I need to put you through? And also you can still check about your RAM details as well under the this PC. You just click here computer, you can come to properties to see more details, to see you can see how many RAM there is, a 32 gig RAM. You can see my system, this is 10th gen, this 32 gig RAM. Check other things wherever is used. This is Windows 10 Pro, that's my OS that I'm currently using. This is Windows 10 Pro, this is a 64-bit system. That's how to check your system specs. So I believe that question is answered. If you have more questions, please drop it under the comment section. Okay, that's for the system spec. And I think talking about the coming tutorial, there are a lot of tutorial that will be coming soon. How to fly your drone is coming, how to do graphics with your phone is coming, and so many others. And another live session is coming on this After Effects as well. You can drop comments if you think you need it so that we can help you in. It's free. All these are given out free. Okay, let me read the comment section. Regards font, can you share us link to get a better font? Okay, for you to get a better font, you can go to Google. You can go to Google and search for any font you want. Definitely we'll drop a link, but if you search for font downloader, there are a lot of free sites for fonts. You can just come here and check different fonts. Come here is a site. You can say only go on Google and I search it. I can download. Let me just download one for example. And all you just need to do, go to the folder, extract it. Make sure you extract it out. It's very easy to install. Like I say, if you don't understand, repeat the video. Here is it, the one I just downloaded. Just for me to double click. Okay, sorry, that's not it. Sometimes when you download it, you need to put it in a new folder so that it will not confuse you. Just drag and drop it in a new folder. So from the folder, I can go and extract it. This is what time it, right? So zip, extract here. Okay, once you double click it, you can go ahead install it. Then it will automatically appear in your After Effects. So you can, any font you want, you can just go on Google, make research. You can see this country wedding, different ones. Go on Google, make research. They are free. They are not things that will cost you money. So, and what comment is here again? You are yet to install the software. Why are you coming this late? Why are you coming this late? Because many people want to go and watch AFCON, and now you are just coming. How do we do that? Okay, can you please let me know what's the challenge you are having installing the software? Let me hear you. I need to see your comments. What's the challenge you're having installing the software? If you are not answering yet, we need to end the live session for today. Another live session will be coming up whereby it's going to be more details. Other instructor will also be available for you in case other instructor will be available. Please take me, focus on me, please. Okay, we are going to be having a 3D course. We are going to be having Aurora course, different course. We are going to be having web development course, sound instruments. So many courses will be coming up anytime soon. So many. So just stay tuned. And what else again have we now answered for today? AKD, what else again are we adding up? Okay. Now, in case you are wondering how this setup comes by, we are currently using. Please handle a camera to capture that. If you are wondering how this setup comes by, what we are currently using now, what we are currently using is from our mixer. We are using a Blackmagic mixer. It's called ATEM Mini Pro. Blackmagic mixer ATEM Mini Pro, which I'm going to be showing on the screen now. That's the mixer we are using, and beside the mixer is a network cable we use to link all the system together. And there's a Starlink device. We also sell Starlink. We have Starlink available in case if you are having issues with your Starlink, we can help you with it. We also distribute it. Then down to the streaming desktop, streaming laptop. That's a laptop we use to stream live. So those are the setup. Now you can switch to me now. So that's our setup. In case if you want to know how to go on a live broadcast, you want to know how to broadcast live in an advanced way, you can reach ATEC Media for that. We always put you through. If you need to promote your social media and so on, let us know. Somebody is typing some comment. Let me check. Regards from, okay, I think I'm yet to install. Okay, I think that's all. Please, this course has been brought to you by Tech Media freely. Don't forget, all these instructors are being paid, and we spend a lot of money for to bring this course to you. Should we speak of the fuel due to the situation in Nigeria, your country, and many things. So we are not saying you should pay us. You get it? We are just giving back to the community. So the best way you can actually assist us is for you to share this video to everyone. You get it? Share it on your comment section and so many places. Share this video, you can see, and we're only having 5 views currently. 5 viewers currently, you can imagine that. So we can be giving something out for free to help the society, and at the end of the day, we are not getting a good view, you can imagine. Okay, so I think that will be all for today. I don't really think, if you have other questions, let us know. So like I said, the next live session that will be coming up now, I can see we have 8 views now. Next live session will be coming up soon, will be based on After Effects again, and another tutorial will be coming. But that live session be ready. We are going to be calling a video with your question. We are going to answer it. And if you need extra, maybe we can't wait for the live session that is coming up, go on our description. You will see, in case if you need to book a section, if you want somebody to train you live, go to our description. I believe you can see our description. Please share the screen so that I can show these people the description, what is showing on the description on your YouTube. Let me assume I'm watching live like you. Okay, I'm going to go to more. These are the details. So if you are not going to be available for the live session, or if you can't wait for the live session, you can see the basic, you can chat us for it. But for these ones, they are not free. Please note, they are not free. You can see the get better, and you can see the advanced, and many of you cannot even wait for hours. Say, oh, let me learn After Effects for hours. Another course is going to come that is just going to be like approximately maximum 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Is how to use shortcuts to After Effects. That's what it's going to be called. We are going to give you access to template, how you can use template, do one or two things sharply, and you're able to create. Yeah, one of you asked a question that how can you create a promo like that of the video. I think here's a question. It was like, how can I make a video like that of your advert on this course, announcing a free motion graphics course? Yes, I'm going to show you. You can use the shortcut also to create this, and you'll be instructor EKD will be taking you on this. Like I said, that course is coming on soon. Make sure you stay tuned, share as much as you can, so that this can encourage more to us to bring more to you. Some are requesting for phone, how to use your phone for graphics, for Photoshop, and so on. It will be coming up soon. So that is all for now. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and post it on your status, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. And our WhatsApp channel is below. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel for more details. Our WhatsApp channel, which you can see here. Don't forget to contact us on our WhatsApp, and we'll be available to reach to help assist you as much as we can. EKD, is there anything we need to add? Okay, in case if you need any equipment, we have a lot of equipment available. If you need like Starlink device, cameras, systems, laptop, which are systems, and so on, tripod, we or maybe you need a help. If you're a church, you work in a church, you work in an organization, you need help with your Excel, or you say what software can you use to analyze your data for your company. You need a consulting, you need to consult us, maybe how can I go about this, that, and so on. We can help you through that, whatever issues. So you can always reach us. Our WhatsApp contact is here. Just go to the description, you'll be able to reach us there. Thank you very much, and that's all for now. Thank you. So please can you switch to this thing and off the audio? Thanks so much.